How to fix Gmail keeps freezing in Google Chrome. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix it. The first method is turn off use graphics acceleration when available. For this, click on three dots, scroll down and click on settings. In this side, click on system. Here is use graphics acceleration when available. It is turned on. You have to turn this off. Click on the toggle switch and click on relaunch. After relaunching, this setting will be disabled completely. Check if Gmail works normally and doesn't freeze. If Gmail still freezes, then again click on three dots, go to extensions, click on manage extensions. Over here you will find some extensions. Disable the extensions one by one and check if Gmail is working perfectly. Suppose turn off this extension and then check if Gmail is not freezing. If the Gmail is still freezing, then turn off this one and check. In the same way, disable every extension and check if the problem is solved. At last, permanently turn off the extension or extensions found culprit in this case. If all the extensions are affecting the performance of Gmail, then disable all the extensions. Now the issue should be solved. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.